Hello students, in previous video we have completed worksheet number 2 of unit 10 and now today we will discuss the value based question and brain teasers of this unit. So here is the question that books are our best friends. Reading books not only increases our knowledge but also keeps us refreshed. But some children cannot afford to buy books. So the students of a school decided to donate their old story books to the needy children in a locality. So you know that some children are poor and they are not able to purchase the books. So the students of a school decided to donate their old story books because they are of no use and they read the stories, then no one keep on reading the same story again and again. So those books are of no use. So they donate these old story books to the needy children in the locality. So classes 5th A, 5th B, 5th C, 5th D, 5th E donated 21 books, 18 books, 23 books, 26 books and 32 books respectively. And these books are collected and then distributed in the locality. So you can see here in the picture that students has collected the books and distributed in a locality. Now the question is, what is the average number of story books donated by a class? So you know how to find the average. To find the average, what we have to do? First of all, we have to add all the books that are donated. So first of all, add them. So 21 books, 18 books, 23 books, 26 books and 32 books. First of all, add them. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 16, plus 3 19, plus 1 is 20, and 2 plus 2 4, plus 1 5, 6 7 8 9 and 3 12. So 120 books. The sum of all the books are 120. So to find the average number of books donated by a class, so what we have to do, you know the formula, sum upon total number of addends. So how many addends are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. So there are 24 books, story books donated by a class. Next is, what are the advantages of a class library? So you know what are the advantages. So you know that जब हमारे पास कोई बुक्स होती है तो हम उसको स्टोरी बुक को वन टाइम रीड करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट जब हम रीड कर लेते हैं तो हमारा इंटरेस्ट उस स्टोरी बुक में नहीं होता. एंड व्हेन वी डोनेट दैट बुक्स टू द क्लास लाइब्रेरी, तो ऐसा अगर सारे बच्चे करते हैं तो स्कूल क्लास लाइब्रेरी से वी कैन गेट न्यू बुक्स एंड न्यू स्टोरी बुक्स हमको रीड करने को मिल सकती है और वैरायटी ऑफ बुक्स वहाँ पर कलेक्शन होती है वहाँ पर, जिससे हमको ज़्यादा बुक्स रीड करने को मिल सकती है. नाउ हाउ मैनी बुक्स हैव यू डोनेटेड टू योर क्लास लाइब्रेरी? सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, दैट हाउ मैनी बुक्स यू हैव डोनेटेड. नाउ द ब्रेन टीजर्स. So the average of, here the multiple choice question. First one is, the average of 5 numbers is 6. Read the question carefully. The average of 5 numbers is 6. So here the average is given. Average is given, already given. Average of 5 numbers is 6. And sum of 5 numbers is. So what you have to find? You have to find out the sum of 5 numbers. So you know the formula of average. Average is equal to sum upon number of addends, right? number of addends. So here the average is already given, sum you have to find, and number of addends are also given. So average is 6, so 6 is equal to sum you have to find out, and the number of addends are 5 because 5 numbers are there. So 5 is the number of addends. Now how can you find out the sum? So if we solve the equation, then we can easily find out the sum, but till now you have not learned how to solve the equation. So ये आप 6th क्लास में पढ़ेंगे कि इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. So for right now what we have to do, हम 1 by 1 इनको यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे वैल्यूज को, और डिवाइड करने के बाद कब हमारा 6 आता है वो हमारा सम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20, यहाँ पर हम 20 रखेंगे, 20 डिवाइड बाय 5 4, so that is not the average, given average. Then 10, so 10 upon 5, that is 2, so again it is not equal to 6. Then 30, so 30 upon 5, 5 6 are 30, so yes, 30 is the sum of 5 numbers, right? Now next is the average of first 5 odd numbers. So you know what are even and odd numbers. We have already done in previous unit that about even and odd numbers. So a number that is divisible, not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. So here average of first 5 odd numbers. So first 5 odd numbers. So starting from 1, yes, 1 is a odd number. Then 2 comes in the table of 2, so it is not an odd number. Then 3, then 4 again comes in the table of 2, then 5, then 7, and then 9. 1 2 3 4 5. So these are 5 first 5, you can say, odd numbers. Now you have to find the average of these first 5 odd numbers. So you know how to find the average. Add them. So what is their sum? So 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. So their sum is 25. So average is equal to 25 upon number of addends are 5. So 5 5s are 25. So what is the average? That is 5. So the average of first 5 odd number is 5. Now the next question, the average of 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 is. So this type of question we have already done in the worksheet. So first of all add them. So both of them are like fractions, so it is very easy to add. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 4 and 1 plus 3 is 4. We have to add the numerators only. So after cutting it, what will come? 1, right? So the sum is 1. Now the average is equal to sum is 1 upon number of addends. There are 2 numbers, so 1 upon 2. So what is the average? 1 upon 2, right? Because in दोनों का sum कितना आया? 1, and the formula of average is sum upon the total number of addends. So there are only 2 addends, so 1 upon 2 is the average. Now the next one, the average of 4.8, 3.9, 8.6 and 2.3 is. So again in the same way, first of all we have to add and then find the average. So add them. So what we will get? So 4.8, 3.9, 8.6 and 2.3. So first of all we will add 3, 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. So 6, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, and 15 plus 4 is 19. So 19.6, their sum is 19.6 divided by number of addends 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by number of addends. Now divide it. So 4 4s are 16 and point and 36, 4 9s are 36. So what is the average? 4.9. So 4.9 is the average of these 4 decimal numbers. And the last MCQ, the average of 3 number is. So again here, the average is already given. The average of 3 numbers, number of addends are also given. The average of 3 numbers is 6. Average is already given. There is no need to find the average. If the two of the numbers are 6 and 7, the third number is. So that means out of 3 numbers, 2 numbers are already given and we have to find out the third number. So average is given. So formula is average. So average is given 6 is equal to sum. We don't have the sum upon number of addends. So 2 numbers are given, 6 plus 7 plus the third number. This is the third number upon the number of addends. So 3 now is equal to 7 plus 6, 13 plus the third number, that is third number upon 3. Now again we will solve it in the same way that 13 में हम 1 by 1 ट्राई करेंगे. 13 में क्या प्लस करूं कि उसको मैं 3 से डिवाइड करने से मेरा आंसर 6 आ जाए. So we'll start from 5. So 13 plus 5 is, first of all मैं थर्ड नंबर की जगह 5 रखूंगा. So 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 divided by 3. So 3 6 are 18. So yes, मेरा एवरेज 6 आ जाता है अगर मैं थर्ड नंबर 5 रखता हूँ. So this is the correct option. अगर आप बाकी नंबर्स भी रख के देख सकते हैं. 13 plus 6 is 19. So 19 divided by 3 is not equal to 6. 19 के टेबल में 3 के टेबल में 19 आता भी नहीं है. So 6 नहीं आएगा आंसर. Then 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 divided by 3. So 3 के टेबल में again 17 नहीं आता. Then 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 divided by 3 again 3 के टेबल में 16 भी नहीं आता है. So सिर्फ हमारा यहाँ पर 5 अगर हम यहाँ पर पुट करते हैं वैल्यू थर्ड नंबर की तो हमारे पास 6 आंसर आता है. दैट इज एवरेज. So the correct option is 5. So we have completed the first question, that is MCQs. Now in next video we will discuss the remaining questions of brain teasers. Thank you.